All right, we are going to cover the Turkish getup today in our newsletter, Coach Me Up. So the portion we're covering is the Turkish getup as far as the bridge. So let's start this video off. Okay, we're setting up here, we're pressing on the side, the leg stays up on the weighted side. So now, step one, we are trying to get over to this elbow right here. And so we want to prioritize pushing through the foot as we roll that part of the upper body towards the elbow. Once we get to the elbow, tall sitting is coming next. And we want to basically replace the elbow with our hand. And that's going to ensure that the arm and hand stays nice and close to the torso to set us up for the next step into the bridge. So right there, oops, let's go back just a second. All right, so there we are in the tall sitting position. And we have set ourselves up nicely because our 2 points of contact, the foot and the hand, are in a good spot. They're close enough to the body. This hand isn't way out here. This foot's not too far from the hips either. So now we hit the bridge. We got a nice push from the heel of the foot and a push from the palm of the hand. Now coming down, let's take a quick look. It's just about putting the brakes on. And this is the most important part here, in fact, the last step before you touch the ground with your back. The side where the weight is, we can compress these obliques to really kind of slowly let ourselves back down instead of just plopping back down. Of course, when you have a weight in your hand and your head is involved, you don't want to be hitting the ground very hard or at speed. So as I'm going to slowly lower myself down now, my right obliques, same side as the weight, are going to contract and basically help me put the brakes on. So as you can see here, and just a partial roll. Okay, let's take a look from the left side real quick. Just to recap, pushing via the left foot this time, up into tall sitting, hand and foot push into bridge, hips come down, elbow comes down, and now this time I'm going to compress my left obliques and just roll that torso nice and controlled to the starting position. Okay. The next time you're doing a Turkish get up to the bridge, these tend to be the ones we go a little bit heavier on because it's just the 3 steps. That last step before you get back onto the ground, see if you can incorporate some obliques as you lower yourself down.